Today I am using a beautiful fresh bouquet to dye fabric for a new farmer's market tote bag. I'll be testing out a few new flowers to see how they print. Stick around to see the final results. April showers bring May flowers, so I'm bringing spring into my home today with this fresh and bright bouquet. I dampen and lay out my pre-mordanted 100% cotton fabric. I begin to play with the petals, bringing a colorful mosaic of the material to life. Once everything feels just right, I gently roll the fabric into a bundle, tucking all that color inside, and I tie it tightly with twine. These bundles will steam for the next 2 hours, slowly releasing their color. I then remove my bundles from the steam and let them cool slightly. The bundles are looking very yellow, so I'm going to explore using a splash of lemon juice to let the acidity pull out any hidden pinks. I leave the bundles to rest overnight, letting the colors deepen and settle. The next day, I unroll my fabric and I bring it outside to dry. The final result is a gentle blend of pastel pinks and buttery yellows. Soft, subtle, and very springy. Perfect for my farmer's market bag. I'm using the YouTube tutorial by Sewing Times to create my bag. I'll have their video linked below. And here it is, a finished tote wrapped in all the colors of spring, ready to be filled with fresh produce, flowers, and all of the joys that come with warmer days. Thanks for watching.